guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pari and I'm finally back with another lookbook after 6 months. And today for my lookbook I have 4 outfits for you guys, and all of them are sort of leather included outfits. So here we go. For the first outfit, I'm wearing Dulla TFT jacket and shoes, and I paired it with black pants that are faux leather, and my leather purse is also faux. I have sort of accessorized it with a muffler from Accessories Nepal, and since the muffler has red accents, I'm wearing a shade that is also red from Zero UV. There you go, I'm doing a turn. And my second look, this is my office look. This is a very casual look that I usually carry out when I go to the office. I'm wearing a black jacket with golden accents on the zippers, and I am wearing my Seto Canvas t-shirt that I designed. It's called the Angry Goddess, and I paired it with dark jeans, and my shoes are from Dulla TFT. And this is the whole look. I usually wear these types of outfits on casual outings, and while I'm at the office, I am also carrying this black duffel bag, which is quite handy and it fits quite a lot of things, so it's always good when I go to the office. So for my third outfit, I have this pastel look for you guys, perfect for winter, and I'm wearing a faux leather jacket from Top Shelf clothing store, and I have paired it with a pair of light wash jeans. I've worn some pink boat shoes to match the jacket, and I've accessorized it with a floral scarf from H&M and a pink leather bag, which can also go as clutch. I've accessorized it with silver jewelry from the jewel box store, and I've kept my makeup minimal and glowy and fresh. And for my last outfit, I have this badass look, and I'm gonna start with the plaid pants. The red plaid pants really bring in the winter vibe, and my jacket is from Leather Point, and this is a genuine leather jacket. I have just worn a very tight corset inside the jacket, and I paired it with this quilted clutch, and I'm wearing a knee-high boot to sum up this look. So yeah, these were the 4 outfits that I prepped out for you. I hope you guys enjoyed my lookbook, and let me know if you want me to do more lookbooks. Please comment down below. If you guys want me to try out any outfits from any store, don't forget to stay subscribed and hit that bell icon, because I'll be uploading more videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching my lookbook video. I love you guys, and bye bye.